Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch me make this hit. What's up, my nana lovelies and gents? I'm gonna try to talk as loud as possible because my air conditioning is going. But so, if you guys haven't seen my last video, go watch it. It's me cooking some chicken that I made extra salty. Extra salty, okay. But anyway, welcome back, my nana lovelies and gents. How you guys doing? What's up? What's good? Okay, I am back and better. And my nails is broke. But anyway, so I am at my front door. As you can see, we have a dent. We have the special dent here. So I'll be giving you guys a tour of my apartment. I didn't want to do this at first, but I was like, you guys might like it, so I guess I can do it, you know. Just don't be no creeps, all right? Don't be no creepers. But anyway, so I'm going to start with the door. I'm going to give you a tour of the door. So here we have a dent, a nice little dent that I did not make. Then we have the little peepee hole, okay? Not pee-pee, peep. The peep hole. All right. And then, okay, so I'm going to start with the art section. Here's my art section. This is supposed to be the dining room, but I'm going to make it into my little art space. As you can see, I got all my paintings here. Got my art storage there. And then we're going to go to the kitchen. I got my little trash can. You know, it opens up with a little foot pedal or whatever. You see my toes. Yeah. Anyway. But yeah, it fits perfectly with the chemistry of the cabinet of the, yeah, whatever that means. And it's all carpet over here. And then we got my gas stove. I have lots of cabinet space. And here I keep my bowls, all the bowls, and the meal prep thingy majiggers. And then in here, I got my spice rack. You know, got the Parmesan cheese, and then you got the ground black pepper, and then you got the garlic powder, and then you got the onions of chopped. Okay, and then you got the organic maple syrup, and then you got everything else. And then I got some popcorn up there. I got some ginger tea. What you want? What you want? Okay, no Corona over here. And then, you know, you gotta have the Hawaiian rolls. Okay. Got like a granite countertop. I think that's what this is. And it's also over here. Granite countertops. Lots of cabinet space, you know. Keep all my cleaning stuff down here just for the kitchen. You know, we gotta have the Lysol wipes. You got the bleach. You got the little dishwasher tablets. Some garbage bags. Then I got this. Blessed Beyond Measure. I thought this was so cute and it fit my situation. Okay, back over here we got the microwave. My mom gave me this microwave. Yes, I still haven't put it together yet. As you can see, a lot of stuff is not put together because your girl been going through it. Okay, but anyway, it's all right. It's all right. And then I got my little pots and pans set down here. I just got a few because it's just me, so a little bit, just a little bit. And then I also got cabinet liners. You got to keep the cabinets lined because, you know, they blame me for stuff. But anyway, we got my little Frigidaire. Got some little snacks on the top of there. Nothing much. You know, got a little bit in the freezer. Got my little ice cream or whatever. We got some bread in there. We got some pasta. We got some ice. You know, if you want some ice cold water when you get over here, you know. And then we got all the food in the refrigerator. Yep. If you want to come over for dinner, I got you. I got you. Look at all this food in here. I gotta clean that out because something spilled. And then over here, you know, I got my crock pot. I got my little cutting board. More granite tops. It's a pretty nice spacious counter for me. And then I got my little knife set. 2 of them are in the dishwasher. You know, it's a dishwasher. Ain't nothing special about that. And then I got more cabinets over here. We got plates, bowls. I mean, not bowls, but the Tupperware. You know. Then we got little square plates right here. You know, we gotta be fancy with the plates, okay? We gotta have square plates. We bougie. Bougie on the budget, all right. And then I got one of these to like scrub the dishes. This does a really good job at cleaning. Got my little soaps over here. You know, you gotta wash your hands, stay clean. And then I got these. This is like to catch the food or to catch hair, you know, to catch anything that don't belong down the drain. This is supposed to catch it. My bad. And now let me turn all these lights off because I'm paying bills. And then right here, I got my keys. It's a little messy up here. Don't mind that. This is a plant that I got from Target. My place is not yet furnished or decorated, so I just thought I'd get a little something. Then I got my little candy jar right here because I'm obsessed with Kit Kats. All right, I love chocolate. I love chocolate. All right, boo-boo. And then we got the fruit bowl here. Ain't no fruit in there right now. Then we got my little scent stuff here. This candle smells so good. I got that from Target. And then I got another plant, a fake plant here. I thought these were really nice. You know, they look nice. And then I got my little wax burner over here from Target, of course. And it's a bar, a little bar area. I'm gonna get like 3 little bar stools to go right here. As you can see, I just got my painting sitting around my apartment. That's my little degree or whatever. My little degree. And then you got my little painting up here. So this is the overview of everything. Sorry it's dark. This is a night video. Maybe I'll do it in daytime. This is the living room. I got my one little seat here. Like, don't be fighting over the furniture now. Don't do that. I only got one chair, so whoever get it, get it. We're gonna play musical chairs. We're gonna see who's gonna get the chair. All right. So this is my living room. It's really little. Don't ignore those boxes. You know, not that I care if you see them or not, but. And then this is my painting that I did. Yeah. You know, it's all carpet. You know, you can see it's not perfect. I got a little ratchetness going on right here. I'm gonna put a couch right here, so that's gonna be covered. Then I got my little temporary lamp. I do plan on getting better lamps, but this is just temporary because I needed some light. Then we got this annoying thing here. It's whatever. Then I got a big window. The lighting in here is okay during the day. It's all right. It's not the best, but it's my first apartment, so it's all right. And then I got my little posters up here. I wanted to put something on the wall, you know, add a little color to it, a little life. Got my little shoe rack right here with my shoes on it, even though they're my shoes, they're supposed to be there. Wi-Fi box. Now we're gonna go to the hallway. All right, and this is the hallway. We got the coat closet here. And I just got my posters that I made in here. Then I got this air mattress box. And some more art storage, some more art stuff, you know. We're gonna have coats in here eventually, but yeah, this is my little hallway area. Something little, okay. And then here is the linen closet. We got my little smell good candles, some little cotton balls, a little something. Got some shelf liners. Got a few little towels. My tissue. And then with this, I do plan on hanging this up somehow, and I want to put it right here. And then this is this door right here is the the water heater thing. Ain't nothing interesting about that, so we ain't gotta go in there. Okay, so here's the bathroom. We got the bathtub, my little shower caddy thing, a shower curtain. Shower. And I got my little floor mats. I haven't really thought of how I want to design my bathroom. A lot of stuff is temporary in here. Then we got my little tissue holder. You know, we gotta be fancy, all right? Sorry about the fan noise. I gotta keep that on to keep the moisture out of here. Then we got the toilet there, you know. You gotta use the bathroom sometimes. You gotta go to the bathroom. And then we got this carpet. It's really soft. It feels nice on my toes. I got this from the dollar store. And then I got this one from IKEA. This curtain was from Target. I do plan on getting a different curtain, but this is temporary too. Just needed something. And then I got this trash can with the price tag still on it. I got this from bedbath&beyond. Then you got a little bit of cabinet space. We got tile floor. Then I got my candle. Amethyst February. This is my birthday candle. Okay. And it smells so good. And we got my little soap holder here. Then we got this. I got this from Target too. I thought it was cute and simple. I also have a medicine cabinet. And then the mirror. Okay, look at me now. Hi, look at me now. Hi, look at me now. And then we got these cute lights right here. I thought this was a nice touch to the apartment because it's a very old school apartment, but it's nice they put these lights right here. Yeah, that's basically a bathroom. Then I got some towels back there. And now we're gonna move to the bedroom. Okay, my bedroom is a little messy. You know, we trying to get it together, but that's all right. You know, I'm sleeping on my little air mattress. Got my little fan in case I get hot. Got another lamp here because there was no light in here. I don't know what's up with it. I put no lights in the apartment, but whatever. None of my business. But yeah, that's basically it. And I got my mirror right there. I'm gonna get a different one, but this is temporary. But I thought it was cute because it was like an iridescent. You know, it's got a bunch of rainbow colors on it. Nothing really special in here. Maybe I'll do a furnished one. And then this is my closet. I'm not afraid to show y'all my closet. Like, y'all know I just moved in, so not everything is organized. I mean, it's a walk-in. Nothing really much to see there. And then I hung up one of my little posters. So I hope you guys like my little apartment tour. This is only the beginning. Thought I saw a bug, that's why I just looked away. But yeah, so this is the beginning of a new journey, a new chapter for me. And I just hope to be more consistent with you guys. Hope you guys stay with me and keep supporting me, because it's hard out here for a pimp. It's hard out here for a pimp. Okay. Okay. But yeah, so this was just like raw footage of my apartment. It is nothing luxury, but it works for me, okay? And sometimes we gotta start from the bottom and work our way up, okay? Because it's only going up from here. Better things up from here, all right? My nose is so itchy. My allergies is just goodness. But anyway, whew, my allergies is really, I got really bad allergies. That's why I keep scratching. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. And stay tuned for more apartment series videos. More apartment videos. I'll be making an apartment series, and this will be a part of it. So yeah, stay tuned. I will see you guys in my next video. Juices. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Hey, I told you I was lit. Hey, I told you I won't quit. Hey, watch you make this hit.